The difference between Neha's mark and Amar's mark is this distance. You can either count this in terms of steps, which is 1, 5 more units, 6, 7, 8, or find this value, which is minus 8, this value, which is minus 16, larger number minus smaller number, minus 8 minus minus 16, which is minus 8 plus 16, which is plus 8. Remember, difference between two numbers, difference between two marks, difference between two scores is not negative. It's always positive. It is larger number minus smaller number. The difference between Neha's mark and Amar's mark is 8. The difference between Amar's mark and Neha's mark is also 8. Difference between P and Q is larger number minus smaller number. Fine. So, or you can say it is P minus Q, but modulus of P minus Q. Absolute value of P minus Q. You've heard of that idea. Absolute value of P minus Q is the difference between P and Q.